Subject Chemistry and Biology. Practice paper 1. 10 standard students. First main. One. The chemical equation that represents neutralization reaction among the is option A. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2HCl. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Option C, 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Option D, AgNO3 plus HCl gives AgCl plus HNO3. We have to know that neutralization is the reaction in which acid is added to base or base to acid, vice versa, to form a salt and water, then that process is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a reaction in which acid is added to base or base is added to acid to form sodium sulfate or salt, corresponding salt with water. Option 3 is the right answer. 2NaOH, this is the base, sodium hydroxide. H2SO4, this is the acid to form sodium sulfate. It is a salt with liberation of with water. So option C is the right answer. The second one, the mode of nutrition in amoeba is option B osmosis, option B transpiration, option C translocation, option D diffusion. We know that amoeba is a unicellular organism, so it will take the food or release the waste product through a diffusion process. Diffusion means molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So option D is the right answer. Third one, what are the basic requirements for the nutrition in autotrophs? Option A, carbon dioxide and water. Option B, chlorophyll. Option C, sunlight. Option D, above all. We also know that the green plants known as autotrophs, in presence of sunlight, in chlorophyll, by using carbon dioxide and water, they prepare their own food. This process is known as photosynthesis. For those reasons, option D is the right answer. Above all, the autotrophs require first chlorophyll, next sunlight, next carbon dioxide, and water from the roots. They prepare their own food. They are the raw materials. So option D is the right answer. Above all. Next, fourth one. Why is adrenal hormone called as an hormone? Adrenaline hormone secreted into the blood during emergency faster. We know that some critical conditions or emergency purpose, this hormone, adrenaline, it is in the form of structure on the surface of a kidney. It will release adrenaline hormone in emergency situations. This hormone releases to and work it faster. Otherwise, the person will be died. If adrenaline hormone is not secreted during emergency situation, immediately the person will be died. Reason it will be known as a emergency. Problem question number 5. Arrange these in order of their pH values. NaOH, blood, and lemon. Lemon contains citric acid, so pH value is low. Blood is neutral, so you have to write it in second. Sodium hydroxide is a base which have high pH value. If the substances have high pH value, they are what? Base. Low pH value, they are acids. Neutral, blood and water are neutral. 7.6, I think. Question number 6. Why are endocrine glands called ductless glands? Duct means tubeless. These glands, endocrine glands, secrete a hormone. Those hormones do not pass through a blood tubes, so they are known as ductless glands. Second and first one gives scientific reason. While diluting an acid, the acid should be added to water. Why? If water is added to a concentrated acids, if you have to add water is added to concentric acid, immediately heat will be released and also splash out, causing burns also. For those reasons, you have to add acid to water, but not water to acid. Water to acid, correct. If you have to add water to acid, heat releases and causes splash and burns it. Because to avoid this, by diluting an acid, the acid should be added to water. Next, B. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Plaster of Paris, when we have to expose to moisture, it changes into gypsum. Means it is very hard to form a hard substances. To avoid this, plaster of Paris must be stored in moisture-proof container. Plaster of Paris contains actually gypsum. Gypsum, when it will expose to moisture, the gypsum convert into hard substances or solid substances. For those reasons, plaster of Paris should be kept under stored in a moisture-proof container. State the role of the following hormones. Pituitary hormone. It is located in brain. So it helps to growth. It is known as growth hormone. It helps to grow. Thyroxine. It is known as personality hormone. Hormone is known as personality hormone, which all metabolic activities takes place in our. Next one is adrenaline. It is emergency hormone. It will be released during emergencies. And to blood, work it faster. Those organs work it. Parathormone. Parathormone controls calcium levels in your blood, our blood. Totally, hormone very important role both in plants as well as animals.